Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Threads app keeps crashing. If you are using Threads app and you're facing the issue that your Threads app keeps crashing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi, so the data, or you can also try to connect a different stable and the strongest network connection. Then go to your settings app and here go to general, go to VPN device management, and you have to try to disconnect with your VPN if you are connected. After disconnecting VPN, you have to go back and then go to App Store for search and search for Threads app, and you just have to make sure that your Threads app is up to date. There's no any pending update for your Threads app. If you find, you just have to try to update your app. So after updating, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so open your settings app here. Go to general, go to software update and try to update your software because sometimes it might be that you have any pending software update. So it might help these type errors. After updating your software, you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone or with your Android phone to fix minor glitches after our phone. So let's say I'm gonna restart my phone. Just quickly press release the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have a single way. You just have to go to settings app, go to general, go to iPhone storage here. Just look for your Threads app. Or if you can't find, you can also try to search for your Threads app. And here you have to try to overload your app, or you can also try to delete apps in case of overloading or deleting. If there will be any bug or any malware with your Threads app, it will be fixing this app and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.